Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we are going to continue to take a look at some very cute spring hairstyle ideas that you can try this year. Here we have someone doing a quick little shape up of their Pixie undercut style. She's got this gorgeous blonde hair color. I love her makeup, very soft and perfect for the spring season. So you can use a three-way mirror in order to see the back of your hair if you want to give yourself a quick little refresh at home. But this is such a cute hairstyle. I love the edginess that she has within this cut. Super cute. Moving on to hairstyle number 2. Now for this one, she does have a bob. She's going to be doing a blowout with that round brush blow dryer. And she has the money piece highlight trend going for her in the front pieces of her hair. And a bit of some peekaboo highlight sprinkled in here with that pop of color. This hair trend is also known as the skunk dyed hairstyle. So we're seeing a little bit of a resurgence with that trend. It kind of went away, but we are seeing more pops of the blonde in the bangs area once again. And then the rest of the hair kept black or dark. So she's able to create some volume in her hair by this blow dryer that she's using with the round brush put in. This is a really cool heating tool if you haven't already tried it. Great way to give yourself some volume. Super cute. This hairstyle, I would also say it has a bit of edge appeal, much like the first one that we saw. There's just something about that little sprinkle of blonde in the front. So moving on, we have another edgy hairstyle. There's actually a lot of edgy hairstyles in today's video. So this one features this mullet shaggy cut style. I love the blue. Very cute. And then here we have someone else getting a haircut refresh. She has a bit of, I would say, a Pixie haircut with this style as well. Followed by a bob haircut transformation. The stylist used like a very interesting technique for cutting the hair. Ooh, look at that platinum sprinkled in there. Oh, wow. Oh, look how much volume the hair has with the way that the cutting was done. Oh, so pretty. And then here we have another similar variation to the previous hairstyle. Now she has this gorgeous chocolate brown color here. And she cut the hair into a pixie bob. The color here looks a little bit more ginger. All right, so moving right along, we have a layered haircut style. So this is a great hairstyle to try if you want to keep your hair long, but you want to kind of spice things up a little bit. Add some volume, add some texture. The layered cut is definitely going to help you achieve that goal. And you can try out a layered hairstyle no matter what your hair length is. I've seen it on shoulder length hair. It's just a great way to add some shape overall. Look at the precision of the cutting and how these layers are framed perfectly around her jawline. That is just perfection. Forget Botox. If you want to just make your cheekbones pop, get a nice layered, structured haircut. So here he is shaping up the back of the hair. There is the before, and look at that after. See how much volume she has? Volume for days. And because the layers are already cut into the hair, the maintenance at home is going to be simple. You just have to make sure that you maintain the cut by going back to the salon as frequently as you see put. Also, you can do a roller set to maintain that volume at home too if you don't want to do a blowout, or you can do a blowout with the roller set. It really just depends on what you want to do. She is definitely excited about that cut though. All right, so next up we have Lala Anthony. So she is definitely rocking out like this super bright, bold ginger color. Wow, this is intense. That is an intense color. It's almost just like a bright orange. Like, forget the ginger. Oh, I love her makeup. The makeup perfectly matches the hair color. Oh, so pretty. I am loving this color on her. Gorgeous. It's like a modern day Jessica Rabbit type of vibe. And then last, we have another bob haircut transformation. So that is a lot of hair being cut here. Beautiful, precise cutting. Honestly, it's very mesmerizing the way that the hair is being cut. Beautiful blunt ends with the method that is being used. And it ends around shoulder length. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed all these hairstyle ideas featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.